How to create call link on WhatsApp? Just open the WhatsApp application and make sure that you have updated version of WhatsApp. In order to update, you have to go to Play Store or App Store and find the app and easily update by tapping on update button. Once it's up to date, you just have to tap on calls icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here on the top, you can easily find out create call link icon. Just you can share a link for your WhatsApp call. After you make a link on WhatsApp of calls, tap on create call link, and here you need to select call type. Either you want to do the call type of video or the voice call. Tap on it. For now, let's select voice call, and here you can send the link via WhatsApp, copy the link and also send the link on other applications, or you can tap on share link button also. Here are multiple options. You can choose any social media platform where you want to share the link and easily help to connect others on your call on WhatsApp. So that's how we easily share or create link on WhatsApp of calls. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.